किसी का बाप मुझे गिरफ्तार नहीं कर सकता. No one's father can dare to arrest me. If you literally translate the words of Baba Ramdev in response to a trend on Twitter calling for his arrest. This has to do with the big Indian Medical Association versus Ramdev fight, which has positively exploded over the last couple of days. Baba Ramdev's alleged remarks over allopathy, modern medicine, doctors dying even after 2 shots has really sparked a ferocious fire. The Indian Medical Association has slammed the yoga guru's anti-allopathy remarks. They've sent 2 legal notices and a letter to the Prime Minister. The IMA's Uttarakhand unit has slapped a defamation case of 1,000 crore against Baba Ramdev. Our report tells you where things are at in this intensifying face-off.
मरते ऐसे, अरे भगवान ने मुफ्त में ऑक्सीजन दे रखी है, ले ऑक्सीजन की कमी पड़ रही है, भगवान ने सारा ब्रह्मांड भर रखा है ऑक्सीजन से, ले तो ले बावड़े, बाहर सिलेंडर ढूंढ रहे हैं तो अपने भीतर 2 सिलेंडर लगा रखे, ये सिलेंडर है, भर सिलेंडर कम पड़ गए.
First he said this on the oxygen crunch, then he questioned the efficacy of modern medicine.
क्लोरोक्विन फेल हुई, फिर रेमडेसिविर फेल हो गई, फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स इनके फेल हो गए, फिर स्टेरॉइड इनके फेल हो गए, प्लाज्मा थेरापी के ऊपर भी कल बैन लग गया, और इवरमाक्टिन भी फेल हो गया.
And lastly, he questioned the large number of doctors dying despite getting double vaccine shots.
तीसरा बोला मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, टर 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 करते रहते. 1000 डॉक्टर तो अभी कोरोना की डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद मर गए. कल क्या समाचार है, कितने 1000 डॉक्टर डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद भी मर गए. अपने आप को ही नहीं बचा पाई, वो कैसी डॉक्टरी. तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर बनना है तो स्वामी रामदेव जैसा बन, जिसके पास में कोई डिग्री नहीं और सबका डॉक्टर है. विदाउट एनी डिग्री, विद डिविनिटी, विद डिग्निटी, आई एम ए डॉक्टर.
Amidst a big attack from the Indian Medical Association, the yoga guru, a big proponent of Ayurveda, remains defiant, hurling this dare at his detractors in a video released by a Congress member.
खैर अरेस्ट तो किसी, वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को.
Ramdev was responding on the demand for his arrest for sedition and the arrest Ramdev trend on Twitter. The globally iconic yoga guru had withdrawn his remarks on allopathic medicine after facing the doctor's ire and a scathing letter from Health Minister Harshvardhan. But his open dare to critics seeking his arrest may lead to a bigger face-off.
खैर अरेस्ट तो किसी, वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को. लेकिन एक शोर मचा रहे हैं कि क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव, क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव. कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी ठग रामदेव, कभी महाठग रामदेव, कभी जो है कभी गिरफ्तार रामदेव. अब चलाते रहते, चलाने दो. तुम अपने लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में अभी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है ट्रेंड चलाने की, और आप वो ट्रेंड में हमेशा ही टॉप पर पहुंच जाते हो. इसके लिए भी आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन.
The doctor's body has slapped a 1,000 crore rupee defamation suit if Baba Ramdev fails to apologize, accusing him of a misinformation campaign.
Now, when Ramdev ji has accused allopathic medicine as a stupid medicine, as IMA president, I opposed it and demanded the health minister to take action against him, and IMA has filed FIR and legal notice against him. After this incident, once again, they are indulging in sending thousands of tweets, WhatsApps and media report alleging with false and distorted message that I am involved in conversion of the people.
While Ramdev swears by Ayurveda and its healing properties, will he end his fight against modern medicine? Bureau Report, India Today. So the Indian Medical Association has fired 3 bullets at Baba Ramdev, this global yoga icon. They've asked for an apology. They've asked for, they filed a defamation suit against him, and they want the Prime Minister to step in and in some ways restrain him from making these disparaging comments about allopathy and modern medicine. But why is this being seen as a dilemma? This is our analysis of this entire situation. Is it so simple that the Prime Minister, the government will suddenly step in and, call to order Baba Ramdev? Consider the following points. Ramdev is seen as a supporter of the BJP and the Modi government. The government cannot ignore doctors, certainly not at a time like this. But we'll have to handle this very, very delicately because the Indian Medical Association has made it clear that they mean business and they are fed up. Number 3, a public rebuke of Baba Ramdev is highly unlikely. That could be, that could be completely nuclear, politically speaking. So that's definitely going to be off the table because Baba Ramdev commands an enormous audience of millions of people, not just in India, but around the world. Baba Ramdev is highly influential across the Indian heartland. And Ramdev's Ayurveda portfolio under Patanjali is highly influential. It's a massive, multi-thousand crore business. So that has to be taken into account as well. Ramdev and Modi converge on India's yoga and Ayurveda primacy. So this is a bit of a delicate issue that the government will need to figure out how it wants to navigate. Anand Patel live with me from Delhi on this. Anand, the Indian Medical Association has clearly decided to fight this battle with Ramdev with all the weaponry at its disposal. There have been 2 complaints. There's one defamation lawsuit. There's an angry letter to the Prime Minister as well. It is an awkward situation for the government, but they've had the health minister write to Ramdev to try and, diffuse this entire situation. But the one thing we can be clear about, Anand, is this is quite an awkward situation. It's going to be very tricky to navigate.
Absolutely, Shiv. Look at the way in which Baba Ramdev, who has millions of followers in this country, is creating an awkward situation for the government. The manner in which he's been going about, taunting the allopathy, taunting the doctors who are putting their lives in danger to serve people amidst the crisis is completely uncalled for. And if the government doesn't intervene in this matter, this is going to further escalate.
Okay, unfortunately, we've lost that audio with Anand, so we'll leave it there for the moment. But I assure you that we'll be on top of this story. We're trying to get another reaction from Baba Ramdev as well. At 6 p.m., he will be, his team will be on our sister channel, Aaj Tak. We'll have that live here on India Today with updates as well. So keep track. We're on this story throughout.